Hey guys, it's Ashley here from Elemental Growth. I just want to share with you some of my inspiration for writing. And the first thing that I'm going to start with is a quote by Yogi Bhajan that says, if you want to learn something, you read about it. If you want to understand something, you write about it. And if you want to master something, you teach it. And this has really been the guidepost. There's a lot of stuff that I learned from Yogi Bhajan that's guided me and inspired me. Um, but that one, it inspired me to publish my own book, to write ebooks, to write articles for the last 3 to 5 years, um, journal and write for myself. You know, not everything I write I publish. A lot of it is just for my own understanding. The stuff that I know is going to serve you guys, or that it's questions that I get from you guys. Those are the things that I share, and regardless, it all comes from the heart. It's all a part of my integration. Integrating the information that I'm getting from, conscious energy, from my own contemplation, from working with coaches and mentors and doing trainings and just learning from awesome people that are on YouTube doing amazing things, or that are writing blogs and articles themselves. There's so much information out there, but information is not where it ends. Information is just a beginning. From there, it turns into transformation, and and that includes, integrating. That's the understanding. That's the taking action on something, and sharing it with others. So I hope that this helps you guys. And if there's anything more you want to know about me or my writing journal, or if there's anything specific that you'd like me to talk about, or interview somebody else on, please definitely let me know. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.